Hi everyone, welcome back to the Naio Nails channel. My name's Sarah Clark, and in this video we're going to be doing an acrylic overlay on some natural nails. So for this video we're going to do just an acrylic overlay on Jade's natural nails. So we've prepped them by filing them, doing the cuticles, we've done the dehydrator and the primer, and we're just going to use Soft Beige. It's ideal for this, it looks really natural. And we're just going to use small beads to just cover the nail. Ideal for people that are not supposed to have nails or don't like long nails.
Do you do many overlays?
I do a few of them actually, because a lot of people now like things natural, so it's a good way of doing a natural nail but having a perfect shape.
Is that the reason to do it? Like, why not just...
Yeah, in case you don't want any length. And you can extend it slightly with the acrylic, so you can keep them all nice and the same length.
Some people like it for guitar playing as well.
So your nails are stronger. It's a good way if you're going to paint tips on or something like that. You can do anything on it because you've got the base down. You've just got to remember you don't need as much acrylic as you would use if you were doing an extension.
Yeah, it's not really going to have an apex or anything, is it? If it's going to look as natural as possible.
No.
The acrylic's got nowhere to go and it's sat on your nail anyway.
Just want it nice and thin. It's a nice alternative to builder gel or gel.
Well, yeah. Especially if this is what you're used to.
I personally prefer this, but I'm more comfortable with acrylic, so it suits me better.
It's a good way of fixing nails as well.
It is.
A lot of times I've put my mum's nails back together with acrylic. She has very flimsy nails that they break right down the middle.
Yeah, well this is ideal because you can just keep infilling it, there's no tip, so... That's where yours was catching, wasn't it? So it won't bother you now.
There's nothing worse than your hair running through, or if your nails are lifting at the back when they've been on a while. If you put your hands through your hair and it, like all your hair catches in like the lifted bit.
I know. Let those dry and then we will file them into shape.
They are just natural, aren't they?
Yeah. So for this filing we're going to use a 240 grit file. I don't want to take down any bulk because there isn't any bulk. So we don't want to over file them. We just need to get them nice and neat and flush to the cuticle. As long as you've done your acrylic nice and flat, there should be next to no filing really.
It's funny because it feels like I've got nothing on this hand.
They're so comfortable and wearable, these. You don't even know you've got them. Buff them over. Gently, because again you don't want to take down any of the acrylic. Dust them off. Wipe over with some gel res. And then just finish them off with some top coat. Absolutely gorgeous natural nails. Strong natural nails. They look gorgeous just like that, I think. But you can decorate them, then take that off, infill them, redecorate them. Pop that into the lampshade. We'll finish it off with Jade's favourite cherry cuticle oil. I haven't got a favourite actually, because I keep thinking I have got a favourite.
Yeah, we keep bringing up more.
Then I get another one. Bubblegum was definitely my favourite for ages. Then that tropical punch one threw it off balance, and this cherry one is nice as well.
Well, these yellow ones are all got vitamin E in, so they're really good for your skin.
Oh, that's good. There you go.
Thank you.
Gorgeous. Natural. Hope you all enjoyed that video, something a bit different to the usual extensions. If there's anything else you would like to see, please comment down below, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Hope you all enjoyed that video, something a little bit different to do in long nails. Hope you.
I love your like, I'm giving up on this one. Yeah. It's like,